He's still not letting me get him out. He's being dead defensive. I've put that bowl up there away from him because he were in down here. And guess what? He's gone up there. There we go. Hopefully he'll nudge up for me now and go in his bottle. There's not being so thingy anymore. Nice about things. See? What did I tell you? He might just move now, or he might threaten it. He's threatening it. That's where I want you in your hole. Then I can get you out. It's not letting me, is it? Normally, if you nudge a spider up the bum, they'll walk into any cup, bottle, or anything you've got. And that's what he used to do, but he's not letting me anymore. Earlier, we were attacking glass. I don't know what's up with him. I reckon he's getting that road now. Grumpy. But yeah, that's where I need you, in there. How does he know it's there? I'm not even touching soil. Is he hungry or something? I might try feeding him before I try moving him, you know. Yeah, man. You never know, do you? Try feeding him.